Good morning, dear students. So let's continue with the topic tenses. Yesterday we did present tense and today it's the turn of past tense. Okay, but before going towards this topic, the tradition of the class, to start the class with idiom of the week. I have to ask one example from you. So just raise your hand who wants to give me an example. Yes, the first most hand, that is of Vanshika Mishra. Yes, Vanshika. What was the idiom and what is its meaning and an example?
When the idiom was falling off a log, it means that any work is extremely very easy. And the example is riding cycle for me is as easy as falling off a log.
Very good. Riding cycle is as easy as falling off a log. Very good. Right example. Nice example. Okay, Ramneek.
The idiom was as easy as falling off a log.
Very smart answer, Ramneek. The idiom was as easy as falling off a log. Idiom को ही idiom बना लिया. Good. चलिए. Very good. So I hope this idiom is clear to you, and I also hope this thing that you are going to use this idiom in your conversation. The purpose of telling you the idioms is just that you should use this type of idioms in your conversation, in your dialogue writing or whatever, in your writing tasks, right? So if you are not going to use it, then the purpose of this telling the idiom gets defeated. So I expect a lot from you, especially from this class, my favorite one class. So I hope you will use this one, right? So let's start with the tenses. So we were doing tenses. As we did, we know that there are three types of tenses, that is present tense, past tense and future tense. So we covered present tense yesterday only, and now we'll cover past tense. So in the same way, past tense again further has four kinds, that is simple past tense, past continuous tense, past perfect tense and past perfect continuous tense. So I'll be asking from you people only, what is the rule of the tense and what does the given tense express? कि क्या express कर रहा है? Like as we did yesterday. As we did yesterday, you people were telling me what does this tense express and what is its rule. So let's start. Let's begin with it. So first is simple past or past indefinite tense, one and the same thing. Either we can call it simple past or we can call it past indefinite tense. So first is simple past tense. Yes. So can you tell me simple past tense, what does it express and what is its rule? Raise your hands and just tell me. Dhruv Thakur, first hand raised is of Dhruv Thakur. Yes, beta.
It tells us about the action which is completed or which was completed already.
Which was completed already and it has no connection with present. Do you agree?
Yes.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
present के साथ connection नहीं है. Or we can use this tense to express our past habits, right? Past habits को express करने के लिए और जो past में बात हो चुकी है उसको express करने के लिए we use this tense. So simple past tense is used to express an action that took place in the past and is over now. अब वो खत्म है, उसका आज से लेना देना नहीं है. Because you commit a lot of mistakes here. For example, this is the example. I went to market yesterday. So yesterday है, वो कल की बात है. It has no link with the present time. So some students they tend to write like I had gone to market yesterday. उसका तुक नहीं बनता. मैं कल मार्केट जा चुका था. That is an incomplete information. अगर होता मैं उसके आने से पहले मार्केट जा चुका था और वहां तो वैसे भी चुका था, चुके थी, चुका था आना. यहाँ है या, ये, गया, गई, आया, आए, पढ़ा, लिखा, whatever it is. So या, ये इसकी जो हिंदी आइडेंटिफिकेशन है, मैं कल मार्केट गया. He gave me a gift on my birthday. उसने मुझे मेरे बर्थडे पे गिफ्ट दिया. Okay. So to express some past habit also, for example, as I already told you, he never came here in the daytime. वो यहाँ कभी भी दिन के टाइम में नहीं आया. This is his past habit. He usually went to meet his brother. वो usually अपने brother से मिलने जाता था. I mean, these two sentences express a habit, and that too in the past. So here we'll use simple past tense. Now, what is the rule of past tense? Janvi?
Ma'am,
Mix up second form of verb.
Second form of verb. Now, unlike present tense, where we need to worry about whether it is singular or it is plural, where we have to use s or es, in past tense we need not to worry about this thing. Here, simply second form of the verb is used, right? So in affirmative sentences, here simply second form of the verb is used. So rule becomes subject plus V2 plus object. So he played football, उसने football खेला. It rained heavily in August. August में बहुत भारी बारिश हुई. Rohit and Raman watched television. रोहित और रमन ने टेलीविजन देखा. Okay, now tell me what is the rule of negative sentence? Negative का rule कौन बताएगा? यस तनीषा और तान्या. बेटा आप दोनों अन्नू बाला के नाम से एंटर करते हैं. प्लीज राइट योर नेम एंड वी डोंट कम टू नो की हु इज रेजिंग हैंड. एनी वन ऑफ यू जस्ट टेल मी व्हाट इज द रूल ऑफ नेगेटिव. हाँ जी
subject
बेटा आई एम आस्किंग
did
ध्रुव आई एम आस्किंग तनीषा एंड तान्या.
ma'am, verb की second form plus did not.
अच्छा डिड नॉट के साथ हम वर्ब की सेकंड फॉर्म यूज करते हैं,
No.
है ना?
ma'am no ma'am first form.
डिड नॉट के साथ हम सेकंड फॉर्म यूज कर सकते हैं?
No, ma'am.
No ma'am. तो why not? Krish, why not? Why don't we use second form of verb with did?
Ma'am,
क्योंकि
because
हमने
did is
डू से डिड को पहले सेकंड फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट कर दिया है.
Do फॉर्म को हमने ऑलरेडी सेकंड फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट कर दिया है. Did is the second form of verb. Do, did, done. So this is already second form of verb. तो इसके साथ जो हमारी verb है that will be converted into first form of a verb. So this is the common mistake that you perform. Every time I just focus on the mistakes that you commit. So every time you commit the same mistakes, not only you, sometimes we teachers, while talking, we commit this type of mistake because we are not in the habit of using correct form of verb. Okay, so now he played football. Please convert it into negative. Krish.
he did not play football.
He did not play football. Right answer. Very good, Krish. Krishiv Gumbar. It rained heavily. हाँ जी बेटा मुझे पता है. It was Krish. Next is हाँ जी
ma'am Shreya ने बोला.
श्रेया ने बोला. ओके वेरी गुड श्रेया. बट प्लीज जिसका मैं नाम ले रही हूँ वही बच्चा बोले. यू नीड टू रेज योर हैंड्स एंड वन बाय वन आई एम गोइंग टू आस्क फ्रॉम एवरीवन. डोंट वरी. और जिनकी टर्न एक बार हो जाती है प्लीज दे लोअर डाउन देयर हैंड सो दैट द अदर कैन गेट चांस. ओके कृष्ण, now it's your turn. It rained heavily in August.
It did not rain heavily in August.
Okay, very good. Right answer. It did not rain heavily in August. Rained is converted into rain because we are converting it into negative. So here did not will come. Janvi Vanshika, lower down your hand. Yes, Krishiv Gumbar. Rohit and Raman watched television.
Rohit and Raman did not watch television.
Did not watch television. Right answer. So that means you know how to convert a simple past tense into negative. So next the turn is of interrogative. So interrogative may, as I always tell you, that it always starts from a helping verb. यही होता है ना. It always starts with a helping verb. तो हमें पता है simple past में हमारी helping verb कौन सी है? Did. So it will come in the beginning and subject will come after the helping verb and then V1 and then object. तो बेटा अभी देखिए यहाँ पर भी दो verbs का combination है. एक तो आ गया did और दूसरा आ गया first form of verb, main verb. Did and main verb. तो हमारा जो subject है that will be placed in between of them. Okay. So our first example was he played football. यही थी ना एग्जाम्पल. So convert it into interrogative. Dhruv Thakur.
Did he play football?
Did he play football? Very good. It will
Question
start from question mark. It will start from did, start from helping verb, and then subject, and then first form of verb. Janvi, Krishiv, lower down your hands, beta. Okay, Taranpreet. It rained heavily in August. Convert it into interrogative.
Did it rain heavily in August?
Very good, very good. Clap for yourself. Did it rain heavily in August? Followed by question mark. Okay, next, Pranvi. Beta, who is this talking? Some disturbance is there.
Yes, ma'am.
Someone is Pranvi. Beta, mute yourself. Pravjot, mute yourself. जब आपकी टर्न आए, please only then you can unmute yourself. Janvi and Taranpreet, lower down your hands. Okay, next.
मेरी टर्न नहीं हुई अभी तक.
जानवी आपकी पहले ही होगी थी. Okay, चलो, you tell me. Okay, you tell me. Rohit and Raman watched television.
Did Rohit and Raman watch television?
Right answer. Did Rohit and Raman watch television? So that means our simple tense is clear because you yourself gave me the answers. Now it's turn of past continuous tense. Okay. Now tell me, where does this tense is used and what is the rule? Ramani.
This tense is used when we have to tell that the work was being done.
When we are talking of the work, about that work, and in the past time that work was still going on, it was not finished. Past time में वो work अभी continuity में था, it was not finished. There we use past continuous tense. So past continuous tense is used to express an action begun and continuing in the past time. The same thing जो पीछे शुरू हुआ था और अभी continuity में था past time में. दूसरा है to express that one activity was continuing when another took place. एक अभी एक्टिविटी ने प्लेस लिया ही था कि दूसरी एक्टिविटी जो थी वो अभी चल रही थी. That was in continuation. So let's see the first examples. A cool breeze was blowing. If I say today कि yesterday a cool breeze was blowing, कि कल ठंडी हवा चल रही थी, that means I did not say कि वो चल के खत्म हो गई थी. It was in action. She was cooking food. वो खाना बना रही थी. रहा था, रही थी, रहे थे. जैसे प्रेजेंट में था, रहा है, रही है, रहे हैं. To express that one activity was continuing when another took place. When my friend came, I was doing work. जब मेरा फ्रेंड आया तो एक एक्टिविटी अभी शुरू हुई है, I was doing work, और जो दूसरी थी that was in continuity, वो अभी दूसरी एक्टिविटी चल रही थी. जब मेरा फ्रेंड आया मैं काम कर रहा था. The train was moving slowly when the accident took place. जब एक्सीडेंट हुआ ट्रेन धीरे धीरे चल रही थी. Okay, so what is the rule? Rule of present continuous tense. Vasudha Soni means Krisha Soni. Yes, Krisha. बेटे जी रूल बताइए जल्दी.
Use was, were plus first form plus ing.
Clap for yourself, Krisha. The right answer, the rule is was, were plus V1 plus ing. So, affirmative sentences में ऐसे ही होता है. Was, were plus V1 plus ing and subject in the beginning and object in the last. So, she was writing a letter. वो खत लिख रही थी. I was cooking food. मैं खाना पका रही थी. They were singing songs. वो गाना गा रहे थे. Now negative, very simple. You simply need to put not with helping verb. मैंने कल भी बताया था जहां helping verbs होती हैं, there the rule becomes very simple. आप उनके साथ simply not लगा देते हो. So just convert it into negative. First one is Harnoor. She was writing a letter.
She was not writing a letter.
Right answer. I was cooking food. Rohan Gaba.
I was not cooking food.
I was not cooking food. Right answer. Pranvi Gupta, they were singing songs.
They were not singing
They were not singing songs. Right answer. So you can match your answers. These are right. So next is interrogative. Interrogative में वही हमारा फिर जो sentence है that will begin with helping verb. So was or were beginning में आ जाएंगे. Then subject and then main verb. Again वही बात मैं बार-बार I just point out to the same things कि जब दो words का combination हो तो subject is placed in between both of them plus ing plus object plus question mark. So she was writing a letter converted into interrogative. Harnoor, lower down your hand. Shubhra, what is the answer? Shubhra, hurry up, beta. I don't have so much of time. Okay, Shipra, 7th green.
Was she writing a letter?
Was she writing a letter? Right answer followed
And
by
then question mark.
Question mark. Good. Next, Vriddhi. I was cooking food.
Was I cooking food?
Was I cooking food? Question mark. Okay, Parth Vadhva. They were singing songs.
Were they singing songs?
Were they singing songs? Right answers. Very good, mere bachcho. Very good. Okay, next comes perfect tenses. So now we'll do the past perfect tense. So first is past perfect. So where is it used? To express an action completed before a given past moment. जो एक आपको past moment का time बताया गया है, जो आपके पास एक past moment है, उससे पहले वो काम खत्म हो चुका था. उससे पहले वो काम खत्म हो चुका था. मीन्स कि जब मैं उसकी बात कर रही हूँ पास्ट के टाइम की, तो जब भी उसकी मैं बात करूंगी तो उससे पहले वो फिनिश हो चुका था. तो इसमें बेटा इन 90% ऑफ द केसेस बाय आता है. बाय इन द सेंस एग्जांपल, द रेन हैड स्टॉप्ड बाय 6 o'clock, कि 6 बजे तक बारिश रुक चुकी थी. अगेन जैसे प्रेजेंट में आया था चुका है, चुके हैं, चुकी है. इन द सेम वे पास्ट में आएगा चुका था, चुके थे, चुकी थी. He had visited us by the end of last month. वो लास्ट मंथ के एंड तक हमें विजिट कर चुका था. मीन्स वो एक्शन खत्म हो चुका था. अभी मैं जब उसकी बात कर रही हूँ, मेरे बात करने के लिए जब मैंने पास्ट मोमेंट का जिक्र किया, उस पास्ट मोमेंट से पहले दैट वर्क हैड बीन फिनिश्ड. ओके. So next is second thing is to express the two actions that took place in the past. Beta mute yourself. Someone is on unmute mode. To express the two actions that took place in the past, the action taking place first has to be expressed in the past perfect tense. हाँ जी बेटा, ये मोस्टली कहाँ यूज होता है टेंस? जहां पर हमारे दो एक्शंस हैं. We are given two actions और उसमें से एक एक्शन पहले खत्म हो चुका था दूसरे एक्शन के शुरू होने से पहले. दूसरे एक्शन के शुरू होने से पहले जो पहला एक्शन था वो खत्म हो चुका था. So here we will use two tenses. एक past perfect, दूसरा past indefinite. See example. The train had left before we reached the station. तो देखिए यहाँ दो एक्शंस हुए हैं. एक तो गाड़ी चली गई, दूसरा मैं स्टेशन पे पहुंचा. तो पहले कौन सा एक्शन फिनिश हुआ? पहले गाड़ी गई कि पहले मैं पहुंचा?
गाड़ी गई.
क्रिश, यस, पहले गाड़ी गई.
पहले गाड़ी से
पहले गाड़ी गई तो मीन्स जो पहले एक्शन खत्म हो चुका था उसके साथ I'll use past perfect tense. और जो एक्शन बाद में खत्म हुआ उसके साथ I'll use past indefinite tense. You cannot use two same tenses in a sentence like this. जब दो एक्शंस हैं तो जो पहले खत्म हुआ उसके साथ perfect यूज कर लो, जो बाद में हुआ उसके साथ indefinite यूज कर लो. तो मीन्स यहाँ जो हमारा कॉम्बिनेशन है पास्ट परफेक्ट का किसके साथ बनेगा? past indefinite के साथ. Is it clear? See the example, the train had left. गाड़ी जा चुकी थी. Before we reach the station. हमारे स्टेशन पहुंचने से पहले. Before means पहले. हमारे स्टेशन पहुंचने से पहले गाड़ी जा चुकी थी. तो इट इज वेरी मच क्लियर टू यू कि जहां चुका था, चुकी थी, चुके थे आएगा, वहां हमारा परफेक्ट टेंस आएगा, है ना. तो यहाँ मैं पहुंच चुका था नहीं आया, मैं स्टेशन पहुंच चुका था नहीं, मैं स्टेशन पहुंचा उससे पहले गाड़ी जा चुकी थी. तो जहां तो आया पहुंचा, आए, वहां मैंने यूज किया पास्ट इंडेफिनिट. जहां यूज हुआ चुका था, चुके थे, चुकी थी, वहां मैंने यूज किया परफेक्ट. द फिल्म हैड बिगन बिफोर वी टुक आवर सीट्स. हमारे सीट्स लेने से पहले फिल्म शुरू हो चुकी थी. But is this tense clear to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Let's move further. So past perfect affirmative. Very simple rule. Had plus V3. कुछ हमें फिक्र नहीं करना कि has है, have है, क्या है. Had plus V3. He had won the match by that time. उसने वो उस टाइम तक मैच जीत चुका था. रमा had solved all the sums by 6 o'clock. रमा ने 6 बजे तक सारे सम सॉल्व, वो 6 बजे तक सारे सम सॉल्व कर चुकी थी. The thief had run away before the police came. पुलिस के आने से पहले thief भाग चुका था. So in the first two examples only one action has been denoted, but that had been completed before the given time, before the past moment. उस टाइम से पहले मैच भी खत्म हो चुका था, 6 बजे से पहले वो सम्स भी सॉल्व कर चुकी थी. बट इन थर्ड एग्जांपल देयर आर टू एक्शंस. One will denote perfect tense and the other will denote indefinite tense. Right? So negative sentence, simply you are to put not with helping verb. Again very simple thing, not लगा दीजिए had के साथ. So if I say he had won the match by that time, means he had not won the match by that time. Rama had not solved all the sums by 6 o'clock. The thief had not run away before the police came. यही है ना. अब इंटेरोगेटिव की बात करें तो क्या रूल हो जाएगा? Had will come in the beginning, then subject, then third form of verb, and then object, and then question mark. So just convert it into interrogative. He had won the match by that time. Yes. वही हाथ है बार बार. प्रभगुण.
Ma'am, had he won the match by that time?
Good. Javi. Rama had solved all the sums by 6 o'clock.
Had Rama solved all the sums by 6 o'clock?
Right answer. Very good. Priya. Last sentence.
Had the thief run away before the police came?
Anji, followed by question mark. So last tense is past perfect continuous. So past, sorry, here it is written present, that is written by mistake. So past perfect continuous tense is used to describe an action that began and was still in progress in the past. वही है कि वो शुरू हुआ था बट अभी प्रोग्रेस में था before another past action started. किसी और past action के शुरू होने से पहले. और इनके साथ क्या आता है बेटा? since and for, क्योंकि इनके साथ टाइम फ्रेम दिया होता है. टाइम फ्रेम is very much important in this type of tenses. See examples. We had been waiting for a long time when the bus finally came. हम बस के लिए बहुत लंबे टाइम से इंतजार कर रहे थे जब तक कि वो फाइनली आई. I had been listening to songs since morning. मैं सुबह से गाने सुन रहा था. पास्ट में वो एक्शन अभी कंटिन्यूटी में है जो हमें टाइम फ्रेम दिया गया है. My mom had been cooking for 3 hours. मेरे माताजी 3 घंटे से खाना बना रहे थे. She had been waiting for you since Wednesday. वो Wednesday से आपकी वेट कर रही थी. So since is used with point of time and for is used for period of time. So first is affirmative sentence. So affirmative sentence का rule क्या है बेटा? It is subject plus had been plus V1 plus ing. V1 इसलिए use किया because we have to use ing with it because the action is in continuation. It is in continuity. And had use किया perfect का had के साथ we cannot use V1, so हमें been लगाना पड़ा, right? So had been plus V1 plus ing plus object and since or for are very much important. Time duration is very important. So see example, he had been reading the book for 2 hours. वो 2 घंटे से किताब पढ़ रहा था, मतलब अभी एक्शन खत्म नहीं हुआ. मैंने ये नहीं कहा कि वो पढ़ चुका था, वो 2 घंटे से ही पढ़ रहा था. जब मैंने उसको देखा वो 2 घंटे से किताब पढ़ रहा था. I had been watching the concert for an hour. मैं 1 घंटे से कॉन्सर्ट देख रहा था. She had been cooking meal when her friend came to her home. वो खाना पका रही थी जब उसका फ्रेंड उसके घर उससे मिलने आया. So can you convert it into negative? So first is he had been reading the book for 2 hours. Yes, raise your hands, beta. Dhriti.
He had not been reading the book for 2 hours.
Saisha. Second example.
I had not been watching the concert for an hour.
Very good, Shreya. Third sentence, beta.
She had not been cooking meal when her friends came to her home.
Very good, very right, very good answers by everyone. So last is interrogative. So interrogative में वही हो जाएगा. Had will come in the beginning, then subject, then been, and then V1 ing. Everything will remain same. जो यहाँ had था, subject plus had been, had आगे चला जाएगा, and followed by question mark. Okay, so let's convert it into interrogatives. बेटा जी जिनकी टर्न आ चुकी है, it's my humble request, please lower down your hands. Okay, Ajitesh. Ajitesh.
Had he been reading the book for 2 hours?
Very good. And question mark. Don't forget to tell about question mark. Okay, Tanishinder, I had been watching the concert for an hour.
Had I been watching the concert for an hour with question mark.
Very good. Next is Nimita. Last sentence.
Had she been cooking meals when your friend came to her home?
Very good. So that means now you know how to convert into
Question mark.
Interrogative and negative sentences. So beta, I hope from my side that this tense is past tense is clear to you. But if you feel any doubt, I'm always there. Please drop me a message on my WhatsApp number or you can call me. If you feel any problem in assignment, you can ask me. आप मैसेज छोड़ दीजिए कीजिए WhatsApp पे. Whenever I check messages, I'll surely reply you back.